Countries around the world are committing to net zero emissions, driving the replacement of tens of trillions of dollars worth of power and transport infrastructure. New technology options like solar, storage, and electric vehicles mean that the replacement infrastructure can be smaller, smarter, and distributed throughout the built environment. Developing these decentralised energy products can be challenging, as they integrate dynamic energy markets, power distribution networks, customer facilities, and smart, controllable assets. Gridcognition provides an innovative software platform to simulate, optimise, and manage the future energy system to produce the best possible outcomes for businesses.
So we provide software that helps deploying distributed energy resources like solar PV, battery storage, electric vehicle charging. So for organisations who want to deploy and own those assets, working out how you make money operating those assets in different market jurisdictions is challenging, and so our software provides simulation and optimisation of those projects. So you can run hundreds or thousands of different alternate versions of the way that you might deploy this hardware and work out which versions will create the best commercial and environmental outcome. It's very much kind of you feed in data at the beginning of the simulation, crunch many millions of rows of data in the simulation, and then get an alternate scenario out. And you can run lots of different alternate scenarios based on different pricing assumptions, what we think the market pricing might do for the energy market in Western Australia, what we think CO2 intensity of the grid might be. Ultimately, what's underpinning this whole transformation is zero net targets right around the world.